Welcome to Introductory Course on Jordan Integrated Electronic Reporting System (Jiers) implemented by Ministry of Health. The objectives of Jiers are to monitor the status and functioning of the national health system, to monitor the epidemiology of priority public health diseases among refugees and host communities, to strengthen health systems for universal health coverage in Jordan by enhancing the health information function of the Ministry of Health. Jiers is implemented in 550 health facilities across Jordan. Through Jiers, outcomes for health care access and utilization, communicable and non-communicable disease are monitored. Data entry using mobile technology. Case-based, integrated disease surveillance of communicable and non-communicable diseases. Clinical decision support of case definition, signs and symptoms, risk factors and laboratory advisories. Real-time reporting of information, made available within 1 hour via an online framework. Automated generation of SMS and email alerts. Interoperability among different systems and partners. You need credential to use the system. Enter the username and password and press Login button. Correct information will take you to the main data entry platform, otherwise the app will remain on the same screen. You will have to request IT department for credentials of the application. This is the main data entry platform of the system. From this platform a user can register a new case, add daily register, investigate alerts, add lab results. Menu of the app can be accessed from the 3 dots on top right of the screen. Search option is also available at the bottom of the screen. The system has multilingual support. To change the language, select Settings from the menu bar. Choose your desired language, for example English or Arabic. This section will explain how to register a new case in the system. Press Case Register from the main menu. Choose the case disease from the list, for example, SARI surveillance. This will open a new case investigation form. Enter basic information of the case, for example first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, age, sex etc. in the specified fields the form. Enter disease-specific information, for example temperature, respiratory rate, symptoms, etc. in the specified fields of the form. Select pre-existing chronic disease, if any, from the dialog box. More than one chronic disease can be selected from the list. Information about the influenza vaccination and use of antibiotic are also need to mention in the given dialog boxes. In the case investigation form some fields are mandatory. Each mandatory field has a red star after its name. User cannot save the form without putting a proper value in this field. If a mandatory field is not filled and you try to move forward, you will get a red exclamation mark. Some are dependent fields. The fields that are dependent on other fields such as the national ID field is dependent on the nationality field. The complete filled form can be submitted by clicking on the Submit button. An acknowledgement will be received to the user on the successful submission. The application supports offline mode. The user can use the application to save the data even if there is no internet connection. Forms saved in offline mode can be viewed by selecting Saved Forms option from the main menu.